Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on all things consumer. Today, we're diving into the sweet world of breakfast essentials with a product that's been making waves in the syrup scene. Get ready to pour on the flavor because we're talking about Amazon Fresh Original Pancake Syrup. Amazon Fresh Original Pancake Syrup, touted as the best pancake syrup available in the market. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Golden pancakes fresh off the griddle, ready to be drenched in a luscious, velvety syrup. That's where Amazon Fresh steps in. Crafted with care and quality, this syrup promises to elevate your breakfast game to new heights. Now, before we delve into the taste test, let's take a closer look at what sets Amazon Fresh Pancake Syrup apart. Each 12 fluid-ounce bottle is packed with a symphony of flavors, guaranteed to tantalize your taste buds. And guess what? The packaging may vary, but the quality remains consistent. What's inside the bottle, you ask? Well, prepare your palate for a journey. Amazon Fresh Pancake Syrup boasts a blend of corn syrup, high-fructose corn syrup, water, salt, cellulose gum, and a perfect balance of natural and artificial maple flavor. But here's the kicker. Amazon Fresh understands the importance of quality without breaking the bank. With a smart price tag, you can indulge in premium syrup without denting your wallet. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from the real MVPs, you, the customers. With a whopping 4.6 out of 5 stars and over 4,500 global ratings, it's safe to say that Amazon Fresh Pancake Syrup has won the hearts of breakfast enthusiasts far and wide. Customers rave about its impeccable taste, undeniable value, and perfect consistency. Whether you're drizzling it over pancakes, waffles, or even ice cream, this syrup delivers on all fronts. Of course, no product is without its critiques. Some users have raised concerns about the price fluctuation over time. However, with its stellar performance and quality, many find it to be worth every penny. So, what's the verdict? Amazon Fresh Original Pancake Syrup isn't just a breakfast staple, it's a game changer. With its irresistible flavor, unbeatable value, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, it's clear why this syrup reigns supreme in the market. That wraps up today's review on Amazon Fresh Original Pancake Syrup. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on products you love. Until next time, happy breakfasting.